Hi guys, this is Anil Vishoi and you're watching me on my channel Passionate World. If you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Friends, in the Odisha temple architecture, we have studied about Kalinga School of Art. Then we studied about the other Parsurameswara temple architecture, and today we will study about very important, and it was asked in 2018 and 19 exam, that is Muktesvara temple architecture. It was of 10 marks. So we will study it in detail. It can be asked again. We do not know. So we will study it in detail. So let's start today's discussion. Muktesvara temple. Muktesvara temple is the nobility in the field of Odisha temple architecture. It is a nobility in the field of Odisha school of architecture. The gate of the temple was well designed, in which gives it a grandiose look. The gate of the Muktesvara temple is very unique. It gives a grandiose. Then the Vimana stands on the raised platform. The Vimana stands on the raised platform. It is square in the ground plan. The base has its 5 divisions such as Pada, Kumbha, Potta, Konni, Basanta. Pada, Kumbha, Potta, Konni, Basanta. Pada, Kumbha, Potta, Konni, Basanta. PKPKV. You remember it as PKPKV. Pada, Konni, Potta, Kumbha, Konni, Basanta. Then these 5 divisions were absent in earlier divisions of the temple. The pilasters have recesses which contain Gajasimha and Nagakulams. The pilasters consist 2 things. One is Gajasimha and then Nagakulams. This temple niches are empty and have no perceived Parshva Devatas. This temple niches are empty. It is very uniqueness in Muktesvara temple, and Parshva Devatas are absent. Means side deities, there is no side deities in Muktesvara temple. It is very important, do remember it. The Sikhara is short. The Sikhara is short. It has 4 Natarajas and 4 Kirti Mukhas. It is having 4 Natarajas. Remember, 4 Natarajas and 4 Kirti Mukhas on 4 facets. In 4 sides and 4 facets, 4 Natarajas and 4 Kirti Mukhas. Then the Nataraja figure from the western facet has been detached and kept inside a miniature temple inside the same temple premises. Very important. The Nataraja figure from the western side, only from the western side, has been detached and kept in a miniature temple in the same temple premises. Means western side, the Nataraja figure is being detached. Then the premises. It has no Anga Sikhara. It has no Anga Sikhara. The ground plan as the Jagamohana of the Muktesvara temple is just like a star. The ground plan of the Jagamohana Muktesvara temple is just like a star. Then the steps of the pyramidal roof. The roof is pyramidal. Very important. The roof is pyramidal. Recedes when it ascends. Recedes when it ascends. We have seen the pyramid, how it recedes when it ascends. Then the temple has no Amalaka, and the borders. We have studied borders about it. B equal to P J V. We have remembered it. Then borders on the borders of the northern and southern sides have pilasters, and each of them contains a square shaped perforated window. It is having square shaped perforated window. Perforated window. The portions of the roof above and the windows rise in two tiers with the steps and are surmounted by images of lions. It is rising with the images of lions. Then the recesses between the pilasters contain the figures of the Gajasimha and Nagakulams. We have studied it here that it is in the Gajasimha and Nagakulams. Is having Gajasimhas and Nagakulams. Then Torana. The Torana is the gate. It is very important of Muktesvara temple. Its unique feature of the temple of Muktesvara temple, it stands before Jagamohana. In the Muktesvara temple, the Torana stands in front of the Jagamohana. Then the basement of the pillars contain each face a miniature shrine having a twin Gajasimha figures at the top. Twin Gajasimhas at the top. Then each of the 16-sided shafts consists of 4 blocks of stone and at the top appear Kirtimukhas. There are 16 side shafts of the 4 blocks stone and at the top there is Kirtimukhas. The topmost block has imposed Vedika, Amalaka and spreading lotus capital on both the sides of the pair of female figures. There is a topmost block imposed Vedika, Amalaka and spreading of lotus capital on both the sides of female figures. With graceful pose are found. The females with a graceful pose are found on both the sides. Each arc has projected Makara Mukha which is distinct in the Torana of the Muktesvara. It is very important. Each arch has a projecting Makara Mukha which is distinct in the Torana of Muktesvara. In the Torana of Muktesvara is very unique and it has Makara Mukha which is totally distinct of this particular temple. And with this, I hope this one is a little difficult, but you can read it and memorize it because it will be a 10 marks question. And with this we came to the end of today's video, and do like and do share with your friends and help them to study this temple architecture. Thank you very much.